Coach Kim here, ready to give you a bodyweight beginner senior workout. You're gonna love this. So all you need is a willing body and a chair, and to check with your doctor before starting any exercise program. Let's get ready. This 10-minute workout is gonna rock your world. As a matter of fact, every cell in your body is gonna say thank you when you're done with this today. So I'd like you to do this. You're welcome to do it every day, but if you're a brand new beginner to this, every other day follow this 10-minute workout, and then you can work up to doing every day. So all you need is a good solid chair, solid good supportive shoes, and a willing body. And remember, motivation is what gets you started, but habit is what keeps you going. So let's create that great habit of exercising and moving your body every day. Movement's medicine, motion's lotion. So I'm going to time you 30 seconds each exercise. I'm going to show you some options along the way. I've got you timed. You don't have to think. You don't have to count. Just move your body and take rest as needed, because I'm going to segue right from one exercise to the next. Each one is going to be 30 seconds long. So put that smile on your face. Let's get ready. We're going to start with what's called a chair squat. I'd like you to put your feet about hip to shoulder width, toes facing forward. Don't let those knees buckle in. You're going to keep it out right here. So I'm going to go along. Just follow with me here. I've got you covered. Okay, so we're going to do 30 seconds of work with a chair squat. Ready, set, and go. You're going to stand up and you're going to sit back down. Let that butt touch. Some of you need to push off a little bit from the chair. That's fine. We're going to make it a goal to maybe, as you get stronger, not push off so much. Okay, down and up. And keep in mind, you're halfway in, by the way. You've got 30 seconds. If you have bad knees and hips, just go partial down on the squat, but remember to get that butt back there. Very functional move. You're going to do this till you're 110 years old, so keep going. Down and up. We sit all day long. Sit to stand. One more. Perfect. Calf raises. So I'd like you to go up on the toes and back down, just like this. Sit on the edge of your chair for me. Shoulders back. This works the lower calf, good for the ankles, good for blood flow down there, okay? So very good exercise. Ready, set, go. Seated calf raises all the way up, all the way down. Good. So just go on the ball of the feet, and this is good if you guys take airplane rides. Okay, do these things. These are called calf raises. Do little ankle pumps where the ankles go back and forth. Okay, so you don't want the blood things, you want things flowing down there, and this is a great one for that. Good, all the way up. Are you sitting up tall? You've got 10 seconds left. 30 seconds goes like that, and you could do anything for 30 seconds. I'm really proud of you for doing this, and you should be proud of you too. All the way up and down. Perfect. All right, next one. Core, 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 core. Oh my God, so important. Keep that stomach tight at all times. Think about it. When you're standing in line at the grocery store, don't be slumping like this. Keep that stomach tight, shoulders back, okay? You're lucky I'm not standing behind you in line, because I remind you of that. Okay, put your hands behind you on your chair. Lean back slightly. Okay, put your feet out, and what I'd like you to do is you're going to draw one knee into your chest, and I'm greeting it slightly, and come back down. Notice my chin is not tucked in. My chin is off my chest. I'm going to alternate my legs just like this, and think of it, you're working lower and upper abs. It's kind of like the happy hour crunch. Let Coach Kim be your happy hour. So let's get ready. 30 seconds. Ready, and go. Good. This is a single-legged knee tuck. Pulling that knee in and back out, just like this. I'm greeting it right here. Whew! You guys remember Jack LaLanne, the godfather of fitness? Yes, he's watching you from above. He used to love this one. Lived to be 96 years old, worked out to the day he died, and his wife, Elaine LaLanne, is now 96 years old. Whew, she's on my bucket list to meet. Yes, and I just might have to do that next summer when she's in California at a fitness convention. Here we go. And one more. Lift up and drop. Beautiful. Okay, so sit up nice and tall. Next one. Now an easier modified version, you're just going to march on the chair. Now those of you, if your balance is well and you want a little bit more of a challenge, I'd like you to march in place where you're going to standing. So just pick what works for you. 30 seconds. Ready, set, and go. Good. Going up and down. Perfect. You've got this. I don't want any stinking thinking. You know what that stinking thinking is? I can't do this. It's too hard. I'm too slow. I'm too skinny. I'm too old. Replace those thoughts with I am capable. I am able. I am strong. That's the kind of thoughts we need to be having every day. You've got 10 seconds, and that's a choice, what you choose. And attitude is everything, so pick a good one. Let's get a couple more. Perfect. One more. Rest. Good. So that got the heart going a little bit. Oops. Make sure you sit back on that chair right. Don't do what I just did. All right, next one you're going to do is tricep pushback. So who doesn't like working the back of the arm, right? I'm going to sit back, get your back supported. Some of you need to put a pillow back there, that's fine. My arms are straightened by my side with my palms facing away from me, okay? So I'm gonna lift this back behind me, my arms, and I'm gonna squeeze the back of my arms and then come forth. So I noticed my squeeze was 1 to 2 seconds long. That's what's gonna activate that tricep there. And if you have a couple little small dumbbells, you're welcome to use that too, or water bottles. Okay, ready? 30 seconds, and go. Open the hands, push back, and forth. Good. This is a good anti-jiggling, arm jiggling exercise. No one wants to wave to your friend and see your arm jiggle, right? This is a really good one for that. So bring it back, and you gotta hesitate. Good. Contract the back of the arm. That's called your tricep. Very nice. And you're going to feel a little bit stretch in the front too, in the shoulder. And that's a good thing. 10 more seconds. Push back. Very nice. Push back. Let's get one more. This time hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Beautiful. Love it. All right, you're going to sit on the edge of your chair this time. Sit up tall. Now those of you that are feeling spunky or a little more advanced, you can always put a mini band around the top of your knee with this to make it harder, or one of those TheraBands. So, but sit up tall, and this is the exercise. You're going to step out, alternating those legs, okay? A little lateral step out. You're going to feel this a lot in the hips, and we want to keep those hips healthy. Okay, ready? Set, and go. Beautiful. Movements medicine, motions lotion. In my 35 years I'm in the fitness business, I have never heard anybody ever say, I wish I didn't work out today. Good, keep going. You always feel better physically, mentally, and your body moves better, you sleep better, you think better, and that mood improves instantly. So keep doing what you're doing. Keep following Coach Kim. I'll keep you motivated. You got a few more. Hang in here. Yep, couple more. Tap, land soft on those feet, and rest. Good. So you're gonna like this one. I'm giving you nice little stretches from this one, okay? So take your hand, put it on top of your head, and just a gentle neck stretch. Go ahead, start now to the side. Very nice. And then go the other side. Perfect. Just like this, nice and gentle. Now take your hand and tilt to the side, just stretch your neck. Stretches are great, you can do these daily. Obviously you can follow some of my other videos. We got some really good stretching ones. Perfect. Last stretch, sit up on the edge of your chair, connect your fingers behind you just like this. And I'd like you to lift it up, open the chest and shoulder, and just hold it right here. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Perfect. Now that's what I consider we just did one full round. We're getting ready to do 2 more rounds, but this time instead of explaining things, we're going to get flowing. So let's go ahead and start with chair squats. Okay, feet hip to shoulder width, 30 seconds, ready, go. Up and tap. Good. Now remember, you don't have to squat as deep if this is too challenging for your knees and your hips, and you can stop and take a break as needed anytime. I've got your time. We've got 20 more seconds. Good. And the faster you go, the more you're going to get that heart going. Tick, tick, tick. Good. Okay, and I hope you incorporate what we're doing here with a good walking program. Start small. You've got 10 more seconds. Start with 5 minutes if you're not used to walking. Then you can build it up to 10 and then 15, working up to doing 30 minutes a day. Good. Right into the calf raises. Ready, set, go. Yes, you're going to get more winded because we're not taking as many breaks. Okay, up on those toes, squeeze. Good. So again, take small increments. Again, if you're not used to exercise, just do 1 round of what I just did. Stop, see how you feel, and then in the next day or 2, do 2 rounds like what we're doing here. And then you'll work up to 3 rounds in no time. In addition to your 30 minutes of walking every day, oh, you're gonna feel amazing. Keep going. Squeeze all the way up. You got 1 more. Yes, perfect. Now, hands behind you. Lean back slightly. Remember this one? You're going to pull the knee in, chest up. 30 seconds, ready, go for the abs. Here we go. Yes, and you can't out-exercise a bad diet. I can't say that often enough. As a matter of fact, I just had a guy yesterday tell me, it's pretty funny, he goes, Kim, you said something to me a year ago and it never left him, and he said, it took me a year to finally listen to you where you said you can't out-exercise a bad diet. And he started modifying just small changes with his diet, and it's just amazing how he's lost weight. He just feels good. He feels better, his clothes are fitting better, and rest. So all those small changes make a big difference, okay? All right, here we go. Marching in place. Now remember, you can do march on the chair or march standing up. So standing up version's tougher. I'm gonna do it seated. Ready, set, go. March. Good. Put a good song in your head right here. Get some good music, whatever motivates you, okay? Motivate you, get your friend, get your dog, okay? Treat yourself. Say, hey, after a month of doing this, I'm gonna get myself a new pair of shoes. You do something, you work hard, you deserve it. 15 seconds. Yep, good old Jack LaLanne. Exercise is king, nutrition is queen. Together, it makes a kingdom. Okay, hang in there. There's a lot of truth to that. You got to invest in yourself. Let's get another one. And rest. Good. Get your back flat against that chair. Hands down, relax your neck. Tricep. Ready for the pushback? Here we go. Push back. I got you covered on time. And release. So push back. Good. Relax your neck. Push and extend those arms back so you really feel it in the triceps. Oh yeah. Yep, after the age of 30 is when we start losing muscle mass. It's called sarcopenia, it's the natural loss of muscle. So it's really important, 10 more seconds, that we build the muscle, okay, and work our bodies out. Because we lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass, hold it right here, every decade after 30, and by our 8th decade of life, rest up, we've lost half of our muscle mass. So let's fight sarcopenia by moving our bodies and strength train. All right, next one we're gonna do, lateral march. Ready, set, go. Out to the side. There we go. Lateral just means to the side. Again, if you got that mini band on and you want to put it above the knee, I suggest starting with a light band, and that will add a little bit more. And this is going to strengthen the hips and what's called your abductors, all these muscles that surround the knee. So those with knee issues, this is a good one for you. Good. Very knee friendly. You got 10 more seconds. You're going to be really pleased at how great you're going to feel in a short amount of time. You just hang with me. We've got this. And rest. Good. Get your back flat right there. Now, last time we did some neck stretches. Now I want to do some different stretches with you. You're going to take one arm back behind you, cup your elbow. I got you covered, 30 seconds. So I'm giving you a little medley of different stretches on all these different rounds, okay? And then switch up. And different is good, okay? So it's really, really important that you take care of yourself. Good. Take your arm across and change things up. And that's where it's really great to use a trainer or your app or these videos. Give you some different ideas. Go ahead and switch again. Okay, I'm adding a little stretch for my shoulder. Hands by your side, roll them back. I'm giving you a little bit extra time on this. You're welcome. Let's get one more. Good. All right. Those of you more advanced, you've been working with me for a couple sessions. We're ready for our third and final round, starting at the top of chair squat. So let's get those feet facing forward, hip to shoulder width, head up, ready, 30 seconds, let's go. Get that butt down and up. Whew, you're hanging with me. This means if you've made this third round, you've been doing this for a little bit, and you're past beginner, okay? Good. And eventually we're going to be working on some above beginner workouts, some intermediate workouts, and then obviously moving all the way up to advanced. But you got to start small. If you're climbing a ladder, we don't climb from the bottom step all the way to the top right away. We got to do little steps and make those little changes all the way up and rest. And those little changes make a big difference. So the goal is to get to the top. Here we go. Seated calf raises, sit up tall, go up, back down. Now I forgot to mention, if those of you have some dumbbells and you want to put them on the edge of your knee right here, it makes it a little bit tougher. Maybe you have a 1 or 2 year old grandchild, great grandchild, or even child for that matter, pop them right there on your lap, makes it even tougher. Okay, all the way up. Some of you say, hey, I've got a good lap dog. Put your lap dog on there. Weight is weight. All the way up. My 85-pound lap dog would love to be sitting on me, my golden retrievers. They're so much fun. All the way up. Let's get one more. Yes, perfect. All right, sit on the edge, hands behind, chin off the chest, single-legged knee tuck. Here we go, in and out. Again, working the upper and lower abs. And what's nice about doing single-legged, this really works with people that have back issues, okay, as opposed to doing both legs together. That'd be more advanced, but it's more load on the spine. Good. You're halfway. It's your happy hour crunch. 2 for 1, upper, lower. And how do we get abs? Starts in the kitchen, but we'll save that for another time, okay? And people that work out do tend to eat healthier. And rest. Good. Marching in place. This time I'm going to stand up and do it. Ready? Here we go. Marching in place. And some of you that are like feeling really spunky, you got healthy knees and you're more advanced, at least on this one, you're welcome to run in place. That's great. You could even dust that jump rope off that you haven't used since 2nd grade. Good. So keep going. Move those knees. Try to get the legs up at a 90 degree if you can. And pumping the arms gets the heart rate more. Gets it moving more. Good. Keep going. Breathe in the nose, out the mouth. Perfect. So have a seat. Yep. Hands down by your side. Remember, you're not leaning on this one. I want your chin up. You're going to push back behind you, hold, and release. Ready? Go. Push back. Yep. And if you have a couple small dumbbells, you want to put it in there in your hands, that's fine too. Remember the hesitation in squeezing the tricep. You're not thinking about the dry cleaners, the errands, all the stuff you got to do today. You're thinking about you. It's important you take time for you. You got to love yourself first before you can love and take care of others. Push back. Yep. Tighten the arms. Visualize them, feel them, and hold it back there. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, and rest. Good. Sit up on the top of your chair. Ready for that march out to the side? You're putting that mini band on if you have it. Ready? Here we go. Step out. You don't need it. Obviously, I'm feeling it, and I don't have it. Very nice. Great for those hips. And if any of these exercises are too much for you, just skip it and go to the next one, okay? So just cater these workouts to what works for you. That's the whole key here, and that's what I'm looking for. All ages, all abilities. This exercise thing works for everyone. Yep, no excuses. You've got this. Here we go. Keep going, hang in there. We're almost done. Yep, let's get one more. And rest. Good. So last time we did some stretches for the upper body. What I'd like you to do now is the lower body. So sit up on the edge of that chair. Put your right leg, or I got you mirroring me, use your left leg, out straight, flex the foot, lean down, gentle, and do you feel the stretch of the hamstring? Yes, tight hamstrings and tight hips contributes to back pain, so it's important we stretch. Okay? And switch up, go the other side. And you could do stretching daily for sure. And lean down, flex your foot towards you. Yep, I know you're feeling this. Okay, last stretchy stretch for the hip. You're going to put one foot on top of the knee, the other knee. Gently push down that bent leg. Hold it, gentle. It should feel good. And then we're going to switch one more time. So what do you think, those of you that hung with me on those 3 rounds? Oh, I'm really proud of you, and I look forward to seeing you several times a week doing this. Good stuff right here. You did it. So good for you. Thank you for joining me.